Hello everyone, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Tuesday, January 14, 2014. Hey, please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Find out what we do, and we see that we teach trend and momentum. And what you might do is take a look at the testimonials, the client testimonials, okay? We're going to launch an options trading course at the end of January. And if there's anyone who has ever been intimidated on learning options or felt like, it's just too much, I'm going to dispel that, and we're going to have a very simplified approach to option trading. Now, when you go to the website, go to the contacts page, you can sign up for Rooster Call. This is a free email I send out. I send it out to clients every morning. I'd like to send it to you as well. I look at the overnight news, I look at the charts, and just write a brief one-page synopsis of what we should be aware of. All right, remember everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Okay, let's go into the US dollar daily. All right, US dollar index daily chart. Okay, what we talked about yesterday was how it is just very common to come back down and retest. After you break out, very, very common to come back and retest, okay? Well, we did that on Tuesday. We did that. And then, lo and behold, we have, in the Wednesday overnight trading, the Asian market trading, boom, we got follow through. We're going back up. So this is an actual call for a long trade, okay? We got our little marker right here. Okay. We call that the diagonal trend line break. Now I'm going to move this guy down here like so. All right, and I want to put one more mark over here. And all this does is just keep me in awareness that if we flip down and break through this line and this horizontal line, well, we're going to go out all the way back down one more time, okay? But at this point in time, this is a classic signal to go long, okay? Now, if you take a long trade, I would put your stop just below this moving average. And we have expectation we're going to retest the highs with the understanding we can go higher. So how much money are we talking about? Is it worth the cause? Drive it up. 360 bucks. Okay, it's worth the cause. What would our risk be? Oops, that's not right. Well, about 305. Okay. So basically 1-for-1 risk reward. Very good. Now, breaking this level is a big deal. A big deal. Okay. Let's go to the weekly chart and I'll show you what that means. Okay. Breaking up through this line up here means we're going to start the march. Okay, we're going to start the march higher. Very good. And I've already talked to you where we're going to go because the charts lay it all out. We're going to run all the way to 85, and that's an expected very strong stop. Obviously we can break through, but it has held so much in the past. Gosh, going back to 2010, it's such a strong, 2012, very strong. Over here, 2013, very strong. Why should we think that price will exceed it when we see what's happened here? So it'll be a very big event if we do exceed it, because then we know we're going to 90. That's what price does. It seeks out the next level of resistance. Okay, let's look at the intraday chart. Remember, I look at a 10 range bar chart, a 10 range bar chart. Okay, we had drawn this line last night. I just kind of extended a little bit before this recording. And you can see that we, chop. So all of a sudden, we broke up through the line and we came up to R2. Now that's a strong move. That's a strong move. Let me go, well, I'm sorry. We were basically doing nothing today, barely up. That's a more accurate description. But the evening trading started pushing this thing up. Okay, looks like we broke up, came back and tested, and around almost 5 o'clock we start pushing this thing up. Okay, all right. Now let me go to the daily one more time. Okay, so 8117, this red line here, that's probably going to be the first pop. Okay, all right. Very good. Everything's just going according to plan here as far as I'm concerned. 8117. Let me just look at the intraday one more time and I'll let you go. Okay. You know, in the overnight trading, we've already come to R2. R2 most of the time can hold that rise. So it's going to be probably consolidating around this area. If we manage to go higher, unless there's some kind of a catalyst, this R3 typically holds the move. Granted, due to the very tight action here, the floor pivots are a little bit tight. So, yeah, we could go up and hit this. Okay.